Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a crochet hairstyle. Here I am trying to soften their hair a little bit. It's in its natural state, just washed and no detangling or anything. So I sprayed a detangler. Now I'm using my wide tooth comb, my big comb, to detangle her hair somewhat, and then I'm using my blow dryer. Then I go through with the comb. See how long her hair is? Crochet has grown her hair, in my opinion. This is the second install within a month apart, and that's how long her hair has gotten. But yeah, I'm creating the foundation, the base, so that I have a flat, neat, long-lasting foundation. Just doing the cornrows. Most of it is cornrows, but around the perimeter there's like individual braids, which gives you that realistic look, natural realistic look. Singles, as in if you were doing like single braids, or but it makes it just looks more natural. Also with this hairstyle, it gives few versatility when styling the hair. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can wear it half up, half down. So that's one of the main reasons why I created the individual braids, so you can have somewhat versatility when styling the hair. It's less manipulation on the hair itself. It gives it time, just breathing room, protected from the environment, and also you have a lot of ways to go in, or a lot of freedom to go in and do your scalp massage, your oil, and all that stuff without messing up the hairstyle. And also, I'm showing you where you, on the individual braids on the back, how you just insert the tool and crochet the hair onto it. I am just doing around the perimeter, and as I stated, the perimeter is individually done, or single plaits, so it gives a more natural look and gives you a lot of styling option. I'm just smoothing the hair as I go along, and mind you, this is not human hair, but it is super bouncy. It's light, it's not heavy, but it gives that natural look. See, I'm showing you the back of it, where you can, when you put it up, it looks natural. This is how full it looks, and I'm just finishing up the top portion. And here I'm showing you also how I did the top, and I'm just gonna be filling it up with the crochet hair. In my opinion, this crochet hairstyle grew her hair super fast, and I had suggested to her to, in between her longer hairstyle, which like boho or individual braids and all that other hairstyle that takes a longer time to do crochets, maybe like 2 installs, and her installs last her like a month. Well, it could last her more than that, but she chose to do it a month in between, and I'm telling you, the growth is crazy. But yes, I just suggested that to her, just to give it a break in between, so there's less manipulation on her hair. And yeah, this is how it's looking so far. And as I stated, all around her perimeter is individual braids, and it's just gonna create that illusion, give it more styling versatility. And this hair, she got it off of Amazon, and yep. But yeah, let me know what you think, if you guys have any suggestions. And just to let you guys know that most of my uploads are shorts. I realize that my shorts are being watched more than the actual longer videos, but I'm gonna try and create longer videos more. I do have a lot of files to upload, and yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Please comment, like, and share, and also give a thumbs up. Be active in the comment section, guys. Please, I need you to be active in the comment section. And also, this is how our hair is looking. It is so full and bouncy, not too heavy, but that's how she wanted it. And I'm showing you how you can wear it up and you can wear it down. The color is fire. The color is beautiful. I just love the blend. But yeah, she is loving her hairstyle. And as I said, she did this this is her second install. Yes, I did her hair like 3 times in a row, crochet, within 3 months. And the hair is somewhat similar, but they're not the same. Beautiful, beautiful colors. As I said, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys think. Be active in the comment section. Please communicate. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Bye. See you in my next video.